The power of compound investment. How to get rich. Let's start the video with a wise quote. Money makes money, and the money that money makes money. Sounds a little confusing. Well, that's the topic of our video. Compound investment. Life is too short to not earn lots of money. Why not invest the money that is doing nothing in your bank account, as compound investment accelerates the growth of your savings? But what is compound investment? Keep on watching the video till the very end. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Before getting into the video, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. Now let's get straight into it. Einstein called compound interest the eighth wonder, but if we go back to its history, it was considered as usury and was even condemned by Roman law. But look at it now, when people understand it well. Compound interest is basically the interest that is calculated on both initial principal and also the accumulated interest from previous periods. Compound interest is calculated over your savings. Compounding multiplies your money at an accelerated rate over periods of time. Greater the number of compounding periods, greater will be the compound interest. Getting rich is not an overnight process. It takes years of dedication and hard work. However, one of the smartest things you can do to become very wealthy is to invest in compound interest. This is when you earn interest on your investment, and those earnings are reinvested and begin to earn interest as well. Over time, this can create a snowball effect, resulting in significant growth in your investment. While there's no guarantee that you will become a millionaire through compound interest, it's certainly a strategy worth considering if you're serious about becoming wealthy. Savings are important, but what you do with your money is just as critical. Many people choose to invest their money, and there are many different ways to go about it. One option is compound investments. This involves investing money into an account, such as a savings account or a retirement account, and then allowing the interest to accrue over time. The beauty of compound investment is that the money grows exponentially over time, providing a significant return on investment. In addition, compound investment is relatively safe, as the money is not invested in volatile stocks or other securities. For these reasons, compound investment is an attractive option for many people. Compound interest is often called the eighth wonder of the world. Compounding is the process of earning interest on your investment and then earning interest on that interest. Over time, this can have a dramatic impact on your earnings. For example, if you invest $1,000 at an annual rate of 5%, you will earn $50 in interest after 1 year. If you don't touch that money, the following year you will earn interest not only on your original investment, but also on the $50 in interest that you earned the previous year. As a result, you would earn $52.50 in interest after 2 years. Compounding can have a powerful effect on your earnings over time, which is why it's often said that compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. Getting rich is a lot like compound interest. You have to start small and reinvest your earnings until you reach a point where your money is working for you. The best way to get started is to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, and other assets that have the potential to grow over time. Once you have built up a nest egg, you can begin to live off the interest and reinvest the principal. With patience and discipline, it is possible to become a millionaire through compound interest. While there are no guarantees in life, investing in yourself is one of the best ways to stack the odds in your favor. How do you make investments? Let us know in the comments below. We would love to hear it from you. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one.